Hello, Eric DIY fans. Another review for you today. We're going to review the ChummyKids Universal Stroller Organizer. So we have a couple of different strollers to try this on, but we're going to go with this stroller that Zach used to be pushed in and that we might use later on for our new arrival Madelyn. And as you can see, it has Velcro on the sides, and that's how it attaches. Now this stroller model, again, this is kind of the all-out, you know, you're going for a long time at an amusement park or something like that with the kids. So it already had cup holders, but you still have enough space to put in the 2 drinks into the isolated cup holders into the ChummyKids Stroller Organizer. You also see it has this inner compartment which has Velcro on it to open up, and it has a little storage space. When you first get it, it also has the carry straps. You can actually take this off the carriage if you have something in it, and you can actually carry it with you wherever you need to go. And it has these wonderful loops on the sides. You just clip it to there. And it can just be a carry-around organizer. In the same spirit, it's got this little pouch here that can hold a lot. You can put your baby wipes in there or something, you know, maybe a little first aid if you need it. But it also has a zip. You can just take that right off, go to the restroom where you're going to do the change, and then just zippers right back on. Really easy like this. It also has this nice elasticized little pocket right there for anything else. And that's pretty much how it goes on to a carriage and works. It's got a lot of pockets and storage for different things. And next we have, to show you the universality of this, we have the stroller that we've actually taken to Disney World before. It fits on the plane. It's not one that's going to be full out day trip. So we'll turn that around with the ChummyKids Universal Stroller Organizer attached. And as you can see, it does a great job, even though it has different handles and everything. The excellent thing, and what makes it universal, is the Velcro strap. You can attach that any way that you need to. They give you this whole way of attaching it. So you can make it looser, or you can make it as tight as you want. You can also put it at a certain angle, like this is more angled. So it fits perfectly on any stroller that you could imagine. Another special thing about the ChummyKids products is that they give $1 of each product sold to save the children. So all in all, the ChummyKids Universal Stroller Organizer is a great product. Having this Universal Stroller Organizer is a great thing because let's say that you're taking the travel stroller and you don't have any place to put things. Well, this is great because you can take this anywhere. It also can be used as a handbag again for products for the baby. It has detachable pockets and everything everywhere. So if you're looking for something to help you out, to organize better, to have extra space to put things, then the ChummyKids Universal Stroller Organizer is an excellent product, and I would give it 5 stars based on that. It just depends on if you're looking for one or not. If you'd like to purchase the ChummyKids Universal Stroller Organizer, please look for the link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can buy your own. You'll be supporting the Eric DIY channel with every purchase you make on Amazon. We appreciate that, and just have a great morning. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.